And it's so pretty.
God, I like when it goes.
This is so awesome. Oh, those are pretty. They're coming.
I just put them over on top of the hill, me. I just put them over on top of the hill.
I thought they were the other day.
I was popping, but I ain't popping. I'd have had them up there on up high. I'd have popped them on top.
Do you follow them? Do you follow them? I do too.
Scott, they probably got them. They probably got them fused on the line, and as soon as one burns out, the other one goes off.
Probably. Oh, no,
See it? See, there ain't nobody down there lighting them though.
That's what I like.
Oh, nobody's down there.
Nobody's lighting them down there. You see, they all just lit up by themselves.
Oh, nobody's lighting them.
No, they're already lit. They're in a little cannon thing.
That's crazy.
Somebody down there, but
No, somebody just lit a
They
fuse,
lit the
and one burns off, another one burns.
Yeah, it's a cannon. They light them.
And once one burns out, the fuse lights for another one, and it goes on to the next one.
I watched them do it on YouTube. They put it in this little cannon thing.
Really?
And they light the fuse, and it just automatically just.
That's crazy. That's so good. There haven't been a lot of blue.
Yeah. There's a blue.
Purple's pretty. That purple's pretty though.
Red and purple and white.
That. Ooh, that's so pretty.
I like when they all go.
Me too.